Back at it again here on the forge. As I mentioned in a previous video, this thing is going to have a chimney on top. I've got it flipped up on its end. I'm getting ready to do some spray painting underneath so I can flip this thing up. I'm done welding all the stuff underneath, so I'll get the bottoms painted and then I can flip it up and I don't have to go upside down with it again. But as I mentioned before in another video, this thing will have a chimney on top with some type of exhaust fan. So that'll get plugged in. So off camera, I just real quick put a little hook to hang the cord. It'll have a jacketed wire come down and it'll come in and there'll be a little switch box here so I can plug it in, and then I'll have a switch I can turn it on and off. So I just made a little hook right here real quick to hang the cord from. And then I was going to use 2.5 inch pipe for the air manifold here, and I had measured wrong. I don't know what I measured, but this is 2 3/4 on the outside, so I thought it was 2 inch, but anyhow, so I'll be using 3 inch dryer vent. I was going to use like a 2 inch or 2.5 inch flexible exhaust pipe. It's much heavier, but like I say, I measured wrong and it is what it is now. So what I did was I cut a little bit, because this thing was sticking out way out to here. I cut some of that off, split it, opened it up, slid it down over it, and then I just took the little piece of a gap. I just cut a piece and put in there to fill that gap up. So now it's 2 3/4 on both ends, so I can put 3 inch dryer vent on there and clamp it down, and it should be fine for the air pipe. So I've already painted the grill paint in the fire pot there. I'm going to paint the bottom side with grill paint, and then the rest of it's just going to be cheap hardware store flat black paint. So I'll do a quick clip of that. The rest of it, I mean, it's just spray paint. It's very uninteresting. So I may do a couple little clips here and there, but that's what we're getting ready to do. Just a little bit of painting. There's my cord that I'll have for the switch when I wire it up for the exhaust fan. I didn't paint this. This is how it came to me. I'm not really sure how old this thing is. It's not cast, it's all stamped steel. So it's relatively newer compared to some of the other things that I have. But either way, that's how it came to me. It's just cleaned it up a little bit. So I did make an adjustment on the bracket there. It was fit in there real snug and it was sitting real square. I kind of liked how it was looked with the gearbox sitting square, perpendicular to the bracket and everything, and the discharge going straight. But on that angle, it puts it much more in alignment and makes it a lot easier to get the flexible pipe hooked up. I did paint the handle. The handle was bare, so it's all lubed up and ready to go. Fire pot's all done. A couple extra fire brick there, I'll just leave them laying there. So yeah, the whole thing's all painted. So the only thing I have left to do at this point, it'll be another video later on, I'm not sure when, that might be a while getting it out. We'll be making the top. So I didn't paint anything up here because I'll be doing some welding and stuff. So when I get the rest of the chimney made with the exhaust fan, I'll do a video on that and then finish painting that up. But here she is all together.